OpenAI releases a tool to detect AI-generated text, including from ChatGPT. Oh. So they're like, see, keep using us in the classroom, please. Don't ban us. We'll help you detect us. So you can have a healthy kind of policy regarding the use of our products in your classroom. After telegraphing the move in media appearances, OpenAI has launched a tool to attempt to distinguish between human-written and AI-generated text, like the text produced by the company's own ChatGPT and GPT-3 module, and I guess other competitors even. The classifier isn't particularly accurate. Its success rate is around 26%. You're telling me that ChatGPT can't detect if ChatGPT text is human or ChatGPT generated?
Well, that's because it's so good and accurate.
It's like, did I write this? And then if it's 26% accurate, imagine being the teacher that's like, this was not generated by you. And the person's like, yes, it was.
Yeah, I did this.
It's like, I put it in the class.
I worked really hard.
Put it in the classifier. And it said it wasn't you. Can you imagine? The classifier aims to help mitigate false claims that AI-generated text was written by a human. However, it still has a number of limitations, so it should be used as a complement to other methods of determining the source of text instead of being the primary decision-making tool. We're making this initial classifier available to get feedback on whether tools like this are useful and hope to share improved methods in the future. Listen, you were using ChatGPT earlier. You broke it in about 5 seconds.
Yeah.
You were trying to get a title for a video, and it's like, hey, man, leave me alone. And you were like...
It stalled for like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and it gave me an error.
Listen, man, it is so hot right now that it's... I spend way too much time just trying to get on. So the fact that you got on in this day and age, at this moment right now, is pretty impressive. You got to kind of wait around. Anyway, I liked the first version of their title. So we'll basically ask ChatGPT for a title for a previous clip that we did on yesterday's episode, where a steering wheel basically mid-freeway trip pops off of a Tesla Model Y. And then it came with 2 separate title options. The first, Tesla owner's shocking experience, steering wheel comes loose on the highway. What I like about this one is it's personalized to the Tesla owner and their experience, but it is a little bit long. So then Will says shorter in a very angry way, like a human would. And ChatGPT responds with, Tesla steering wheel loosens on highway. To which Will responds, more vague.
Yeah.
And he's trying to make it mysterious or...
I think I broke one of their servers.
And obviously ChatGPT at this point melts down. The internal core has a meltdown.
Yeah. I'll keep trying.
Willie D goes on with his day, so...
I do think that there's inspiration here.
Yeah.
You know?
It's
shocking. Steering.
It's helping you.
Highway,
well, listen, I don't mind the first title.
There's a bunch of keywords here.
I think you should try it. I think you should try the first title there.
Okay.
If you haven't already selected one, and then we can give ChatGPT credit for it.